Okay, so I've been wanting to get into soldering for quite a bit now, and I ordered some soldering stuff, so I'm going to take you guys through the unboxing of all of it and just show you guys my beginner soldering setup. First thing I got helps you tin the solder tip, and it helps you so that you don't have to use actual solder and put it on. You just use this. Next thing I got that's small, some flux. High quality is what it says. It helps like make the solder easier to work with. It also comes with inside this little bag this little attachment so you can get it exactly precisely where you need it. And the very final little thing that we have is this lead-free solder wire, 0.05 inches, a fume extractor. The reason why you need this is because a lot of fumes whenever you're soldering go into the air, and you don't want that going into your lungs. So this just like sucks up the fumes and makes it safer. Okay, so got a quick manual. I think these are the filters that it comes with. Down here, I think this is like the stand to help set it up. And then here's the fume extractor itself. It's pretty simple. It looks just like a regular fan that you would put, but it keeps you safe, and that's the main part. So now we're gonna move on to the actual solder itself, and I'll show you guys all that. The main thing that you need for soldering, the solder itself, I got the Bacon one, and I actually bought the 2-in-1 because just to be safe, because there's soldering and then hot air soldering. So this one comes with both of them, so I can have a more diverse like experience. Okay, so first we have, pretty sure this, like if you need to grab something, this helps you grab it. The brass to clean the solder tip. There is some tweezers, the different soldering tips that it comes with, the holder for the solder, a little piece of desoldering wick. Next we have the hot air tips, the different kind of hot air tips, power cord, and here is the main thing itself. Okay, here's the station itself already plugged in. Looks like that. You can control them both separately, the solder and the rework, hot air rework. The solder already comes with a tip on it, and then there is this sponge and stand for the solder while you're working, so you can set it down without burning something else or yourself. Let's go ahead and get it set up, and I'll walk through the more of the little stuff and just how to get everything set up. Okay, so it is currently the next day. I ran out of time yesterday. We're gonna continue to get this set up, and I'm just gonna follow this instruction manual just to make sure I'm doing everything right. First thing that we're going to do is unscrew this out of here, and then we're gonna take this, which holds the hot air station, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay, that fits in as it's supposed to. And it says to connect it to power, but before we do that, I'm gonna slide this in here just in case. And there we go, we plug it in. And if you can see this, that means that neither of them are on when you see the 3 lines like that. This, I do know, goes right in here, so you can stick the solder in there to clean it off. The next thing we're gonna get set up is the fume extractor. We're just gonna put the filters in, put the helping hands on, and get it so it's ready to be used whenever I need it. So to install the helping hands, it's very simple. First thing you're gonna do is loosen this so that you can see the little screw tip right here. Then you pretty much just wanna put it in the threads right here and tighten it down. So now as needed, you can use these. If you have a little board, have them pinch on, grab onto it. Okay, I think what you first want to do is get these little ties on the edge, push them down into place like this. Make sure there's little slots for them to go in, and it's just like that. I think it comes with 4 filters, And then there's this little slot to put this in. You just fit it in so it's tight in there. Just push it in with your fingers, make sure everything's tight in there. And then for the ones that have the holes on them, also comes with 4 of these. You flip it around and it's pretty much the same thing. You just push it in there, make sure it's all tight, and then that's how it goes. So that was the unboxing and setup of my hot air rework and soldering station. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to take you guys through my journey from the very basics, learning how to solder, to going all the way to doing complex repairs, and I'll make videos on repairing stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.